I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
You begin by making sure the hardware and phone are ready. Power on the watch and charge it above 20% so it won't die mid-pairing. On your phone, turn on Bluetooth and enable location. The app needs both. Next, install the official watch app from the store and open it. When prompted, grant permissions for Bluetooth, location, and notifications. Once done, follow the app's initial prompts to start a new pairing session so the device becomes discoverable. You now focus on the app-driven pairing flow. Open the watch app and tap Add Device or Pair New Watch. The app will search for nearby devices. If the watch shows a QR code, scan it, otherwise select the watch name from the Bluetooth list. When a numeric code appears on both screens, confirm they match and accept the pairing on both devices. Make sure to permit any firmware updates or initial syncs. These steps ensure full compatibility and prevent later connection issues. You finish by verifying functionality and customizing settings. Check that calls and notifications arrive on the watch, that health metrics sync, and that quick replies work. Then adjust notification filters and app permissions inside the companion app so you get only what matters. If something fails, try this key troubleshooting tip. Restart both phone and watch, forget the device in Bluetooth settings, then repair. If problems persist, perform a factory reset on the watch and repeat the.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.